Namaste everybody. So I'm going to share a Vishnu sahasranama miracle story with you, as you all can see from the title. The story is shared by Mr. Y. Sharma and it's as follows. I started chanting Vishnu sahasranamam during childhood. Those days it was merely a show off that I can speak in Sanskrit without knowing the proper background, essence, and real meaning of each of the names. I had a very difficult childhood. My elder brother passed away at early age, due to which my mom and dad lost most part of their wealth and peace of mind and could not concentrate on me as they had a mental setback. At an early age of 11, I had to take up heavy load on my shoulders. I was good in studies, but mentally I was drained. Physically I was exhausted. Further, my dad was very strict at home and was not open minded and willing to listen to me or anyone else in the extended family. My mom was inclined towards my dad and was almost a replica of him. I honestly wanted to go away from home as I felt that it would bring peace to me. After scoring good marks in my 10th standard in 90s, my dad's third elder brother, who is a Pandit, randomly invited me to his house and told me that he will be teaching me Vishnu Sahasranamam and Chandi Saptashati. I accepted his proposal not because I honestly wanted to learn them, but I merely wanted to be away from home, even for a few hours, because the environment in the house was toxic. I learned how to recite Vishnu Sahasranamam, but again, the focus was only on how to read right. He did not teach me any meaning or essence behind the most powerful mantras. I learnt it well within 2 weeks' time and was very proud of myself that I now know Sanskrit. The great creator Lord Vishnu has his own ways, I believe. I started reciting Vishnu Sahasranamam almost every day, along with Hanuman Chalisa, Kunjika Stotram, Mahakal Shani, Mrityunjay, etc. Life started changing for me for good. First time ever in my life, my dad agreed to send me to Kolkata for my college. I always wanted to go away from home, and it seemed to me God was finally listening to me. Life ahead was much more challenging than I thought, but I did my puja and Vishnu Sahasranamam and other chantings almost every day. When I was in the second year, God gave me the option to work part time as financial situation back at home was very bad. This was a huge sight of relief for me. I started working as a trainer in a BPO setup, and the name of the organization was also on the great Lord Vishnu's name. It was Vishnu Solutions. I did not realize this that time, but now when I look back, I feel he was really guiding me all along and providing all the solutions that he could. But he wanted equal efforts from my end to make it possible. Earning around 10,000 Indian rupees in early 2000s and as a part-timer was exceptional those days. And finally I had some money of my own. But again, God has his own ways. As I was almost done with my third year bachelor in science, I felt sick due to malaria. Doctors advised me that I should go back home as I needed home care. I went back home, which I never wanted to, especially leaving my 10,000 rupees salary job. I did my chanting every day. Some days when it was difficult for me due to the heavy doses of the medicine, I used to only say Vishnu, Vishnu, Vishnu in my mind. It took around 3 months for me to fully recover. After all that happened, my mom was not ready to send me back to Kolkata. Luckily, one of the school directors came up to me and offered me to work in his school to teach science subjects in 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. I accepted the offer The compensation was very less, but I took it as I wanted it desperately. Few months down the line, I had huge tuition classes and started earning as high as 16,000 Indian rupees a month just from tuitions. My confidence in English speaking improved as we were not allowed to talk in any other language than English. Life seemed to be bit settled almost after 20 years of hardships and pain. But again, God has better plans for you. For no reason, I decided to leave the job. And without any planning, I got married. I was just 23 years of age at that time. After marriage, I decided to go back to Kolkata and try my luck again. I started working in relatively smaller position in a banking support team. For the next 10 years, I worked with them and got promoted to senior level, traveled almost every metro in India, and also did multiple foreign visits. Got a chance to relocate to UK, Ireland, Philippines, and yes, with each of those success, my financial status and reputation also grew proportionately. It made me more ready with knowledge and skill to be where I am today. I'm based out of India until now, but I chant Vishnu Sahasranamam almost every day, sometimes even 5 times a day or 5 times in a single sitting. My aim after retirement is to chant 108 times in a single sitting. I have already done Kunjika Stotra, Shri Suktam, Hanuman Chalisa 108 times. When I started my journey with Vishnu Sahasranamam, I did not have any clue about the details. Now I have translated Vishnu Sahasranamam in my native language, which allowed me to look into the meaning of everything with fresh thoughts. I chant Vishnu Sahasranamam these days with proper Viniyoga, Sankalp and Dhyanam. As I was translating it, I realized that 1000 names of Vishnu are just few names. Everything that you can imagine, you can relate that to Vishnu without any doubt. There is no one way to say that these and these are the benefits, but for me, until now, he has not failed me. Of course, there were ups and downs, but in every bit of those ups and downs, I became better, stronger, healthier, and happier. So, friends, this was the story by Mr. Y. Sharma. I thank you all so much for visiting my channel and listening to this particular story of Vishnu Sahasranamam. I have a few other stories which I will link somewhere in the video. Do check them out as well. Do check out some other inspirational videos as well. Thank you once again. Jai Lakshmi Narayan.